Let's jump in and have a look at Redbooth project management software. So you can see here we're in a dashboard view, which is showing the tasks that are due for me. It also has an area that can show updates, just any comments and notifications related to tasks that I'm following that have been assigned to me. So that's the dashboard view that we've got. The next one across is the workspaces, where we can jump in and see the actual tasks that are associated with a particular project. So you can either click on here to see the two sample projects I've got, or up in the top right hand side here we've got an option there as well. So I'm going to click on the Discover Redbooth project, and then you can see from within here we've got those different stages. So it could be like getting started, personalized, learn more, but it could be either days of the week, or it could be stages in a sales funnel that you're moving tasks through. So you can see you can click and drag those between the different sections. You can mark them off when they've been completed, but you can also see that if I click on here, it's going to, in a sense, if this was a sticky note on a whiteboard, we're flipping it over, we're having a look at what potential tags there is. Sample, I'll just throw a tag in there, who it's assigned to, the due date, description, subtasks, any comments related to it. Anyone who's used Trello will find this quite similar. So I can click out of there, and you can see that tag showing up the top here. So you just drag it across those. We have conversations, so we can start a new conversation. Hello. I'll just type this in so you can see what that looks like. So that's just going to show the conversation here, and people can click in and then write comments and reply back to that. So that's just a way of having a kind of public commenting conversation within the space. Then we have notes, so you can add in notes. So this would be almost like adding in, say, a Word doc or something related to that particular project that you'd like to save. But if you did have something like an actual Word doc or a PDF, you can add those files in here as well. So that pretty much gives you an overview of that workspace setting. I'll just show you what that social media advertising is. Social media marketing space that we've got set up. And so you can see this one has quite a few more, we're just going to call them cards, but they are more kind of like task lists showing on here. You can see that you can adjust the view on here. So if you wanted to have it that instead of that Kanban view, you have like kind of task list view, and then we can also switch it across to the timeline view, which is really just a kind of scaled down Gantt view. There we go. We can put those sections in that we want to here. That just shows how you can update those. The last two things that we'll have a look at is HD meetings. So we can schedule a meeting or meet now. So that links into Redbooth's Zoom account, and that will just open up a screen so you can start those meetings. And finally, in terms of reports, we've got a few different ones: task overview, calendar, workload, time tracking, workspaces, and users. So you can see all the analytics that you need on, say, particular users. I can choose my team member, see what things they've got outstanding, which things are overdue, and just how many tasks they've been working on. So you get a pretty good overview, and I do like the clean layout and quite easy to move around the software system, and you're going to find it easy in terms of training new members to use the software as well.